breath. On the Glenorchy beautiful mountain pass, a young man named Jack takes a sip of wine while riding bikes. It is not good when you ride. You should drink more water appropriate, I think. An Asian girl rides up from behind. Jack, aha, this Gift Valley wine is so great. Girl pointed to a mineral water bottles in the basket and said, the water is also good. It is the most pure. They went up to the top of the hill together after their self-introduction. Jack knew that the Asian girl named Li Yuan, she was a Chinese girl. On the top of the hill, they both shouted loudly on horseback. In the valleys, they shared a drifting boat. In the cabin of the pass, they were experiencing the original girl's equipment. Jack said, you know, they will also find your Chinese porcelain here. This porcelain were left by Chinese miners then. In addition, I like the Chinese porcelain as well. Without speaking, Li Yuan just nodded with a smile. Jack watched Li Yuan left Queenstown on the car. Both of them were reluctant to go. Jack stayed in the station lonely. Not consciously, he put his hand into his pockets. Well, his wine bottle was missing. One day, Jack received a parcel sent by Li Yuan. Jack, I'm sorry I took your wine bottle away, because I think this bottle was not only the wine, but also your New Zealand's pure air in it. And the more important thing is, there is still your breath in it. I would like to keep it forever. I sent you the most famous Chinese porcelain, blue and white porcelain, which also has my breath in it. Jack put the blue and white porcelain on his face and seemed to be waiting for a poor love.